Next heading on page 24 is ways of making our diet healthy. You know now that what is the importance of eating a balanced diet. Now we are going to do what are the ways that you can make your food, your diet healthy. How you can make your food healthy. First thing, avoid eating fried foods to reduce the amount of fats in your diet. You have to reduce fried foods. Number 2, eat a healthy and nutritious breakfast to get energy to remain active throughout the day. The breakfast is the first meal which you have in the morning, so that should be very, very healthy so that you remain active and fresh throughout the day. Add more fiber to your diet. Fiber is found in foods like oats, fruits and vegetables. It helps to digest food easily. So your morning breakfast should be a very light and a healthy breakfast, including your oats and your fruits and vegetables, so that your body gets a lot of fiber in your diet. Number 4, add more of whole grain foods to your diet instead of refined or polished and packaged food. So whole grains, like you can include the pulses, you can include the sprouts. So all that can be included so that your food becomes little more healthier. Next point, include milk and milk products, eggs and meat in your diet to get protein. So milk products, your eggs, they all give you protein. So you should include good amount of protein also in your food by eating eggs and including milk and milk products. Next point, avoid adding too much salt, sugar, spices and oil to your food. So you should not eat lot of salt and sugar and spices and oil. You should avoid all these things in your diet. Eat in a limited quantity. Next point says, do not overeat or eat outside too often. So try to eat the food which is prepared at home. Don't try to eat many times outside. Avoid eating outside food and don't eat too much. If you like something, still you don't have to go on eating and eating, because that is not good for your health. Limit your diet. The next point, eat sprouts of wheat, gram, moong, bean and peas. They promote good health due to their high nutrient content. So sprouts are good in high nutrients. They have high nutrient content in them. So try eating lots of sprouts. Sprouts मतलब क्या होता है? जो अंकुरित दालें होती है ना, जिसमें white सा निकल आता है, जब हम उसको पानी में dip करते हैं, that is the sprouts. Next point says, eat fermented food like idli, dosa and dhokla and drink fermented drinks like lassi, yogurt and juices regularly. They help in digestion and protect our body from diseases. Idlis and dosas are not fried. Idli is made in steam, so it is very, very healthy. So try eating all the fermented foods like dosa and dhokla and idlis, and drink lot of juices, healthy juices. Next point, replace aerated drinks with fresh coconut water, fruit juices and lime water and other homemade drinks. So you should reduce outside drinks, rather you should focus on making your lime water at home. You can make sweet lime water at home and you can have your own fresh fruit juices rather than going for the cold drinks and those aerated drinks. Next point, eat fruits, salads, nuts or sprouts in between meals instead of having unhealthy snacks. So you can eat fruits, you can eat salad, you can eat nuts. Instead of eating chips and kurkure and all these things in between, you should go for a healthy snack. And the last point says, have small portions of food at regular intervals. Don't keep on eating everything at the same time. If you feel hungry, divide your portions into small things and then eat small portions at different time period. थोड़े थोड़े देर में थोड़ा थोड़ा खाना खाएंगे, एक साथ सब ठूस नहीं लेंगे. Okay? So everything in small portions at small interval. If you do this, you will make your diet healthy.